Hey, let's make some chili. No beans in it though. Come on. Looks good right there. We gotta brown some ground beef. While our ground beef is browning, I got 4 cups of beef broth. Facial. And while we're browning the beef, we're gonna put half of a sweet onion and a whole orange bell pepper in there. To the beef broth, we're gonna add a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Add the whole can. You don't have to drain it. We're also going to add a small can of tomato paste, 6 ounces. Oh yeah. That is actually 90-10 ground bison for reasons I can't explain. I just opened this chili powder. Look how much is in there. It's like a bag of chips. What a ripoff. This is something that you just have to measure with your heart, because I'll try and put a measurement in the recipe, but to start with, we need that much chili pepper. And we need that much onion powder. And
what you making?
Chili. Garlic powder, heavy on the garlic powder. And a little bit of cumin.
What's cumin?
Not a lot. Smell it. It's strong, isn't it?
That smells like vinegar.
Vinegar?
Yes, it smells like vinegar.
Black pepper.
Smells like, because we already have vinegar.
Where's our cracked black pepper? There it is. All right. We'll start with just a little bit of salt for now. You can add more later if you want. Don't slush it, just mix it gently.
Like this?
Yep, just get all those spices dissolved into the sauce. Cayenne pepper. Just right there. We don't want to kill them. Alright, this is brown enough. It'll continue to cook in our soup. So we're going to transfer this and put our second meat in here. Alright, we're going to put some, this is Johnsonville andouille sausage. We're just going to brown up this sausage before we put it in. I quartered it. So cut it long ways again. We got some little triangles. Hello. Come back, buddy. So I know some people like peanut butter bread with their chili. Not I. I like the peanut butter directly in my chili. So I put like 2 heaping tablespoons straight in there. This is the organic creamy stuff, so it's kind of runny. But I like the sort of literal nutty flavor it gives it, and thickens it up a little bit too. So I think that's good. Sometimes I will put a little dash of cinnamon in there. We're not doing cinnamon today. We're going to keep it very savory. And I actually have a half pot of coffee that I fixed this morning and didn't drink. Grabbed the old energy drink on the way out the door. But a little splash of coffee in your chili never hurt anybody. We're looking good. Oh yeah. We need a little more salt. All right. Sufficient color on those. Put them straight in. All right, we're in the home stretch. We are looking good. We're going to turn the heat down just a bit. I think we're going to add just a little water. That's about a cup and a half of water. We can go all of it. Or if you've made chili before, you know that it's probably better tomorrow than it is right now. But let's give it a little taste. It's good. It needs to cook down some more. I'm going to add a little more chili powder. I think it's just right spice level. All right, I couldn't help myself. I've got this Nescafe espresso concentrate. We'll put it in there. Just that much. I'm not done yet. We're going in with a little bit of liquid smoke. Again, just a smidge. Let's give it a little test. Oh man, it's outstanding. All right, I'll show you how I fix mine. I like mine a little bit runny to start with, to be honest. I don't want like hot dog thick chili sauce in here. I like it chunky and runny soup. And we put saltines on it. Some saltines. Some Louisiana hot sauce. And a couple jalapenos. Looks good right there. How do you eat your chili? This bowl's really hot. It's gonna burn in my finger right now. But we gotta give you the taste test. We got a jalapeno, a sausage, some of the beef. Give it a shot. That's very good. You gotta try that. Get some peanut butter in there. Get some coffee in there, some espresso, whatever. Kick it up with a little heat. Some sausage and some beef. It's good stuff. Well, later, taters.